Good morning, Las Vegas.
Good morning.
What's up, guys? So, it's Mike's first time trying this. Is it?
Yes.
I've tried this before, and it was not that great. So, hopefully, I'll change my mind today. Say good morning, Yabo. Say what's up. Say what's up. What's up, vlog?
What's up?
I actually forgot to tell you where we're going. We're headed out to Mount Charleston here in Nevada. It's about 45 to 50 minutes drive from Vegas.
Downtown.
Are you ready?
Ready? Let's go.
Hello.
Yabo, go! Yabo, go!
Bruh.
What up, what up, what up? Welcome to Mount Charleston.
What am I here? From Alaska.
Alright guys, so we made it out here in Mount Charleston. Look, it's pretty cold right now. Well, actually, it's not too bad. What's the temperature right now is 23 degrees.
Yeah, let's go inside the car. Oh!
Why? No.
Oh, and it's my son's first encounter with the snow, and he doesn't seem too excited about it though.
So what do you think? What do you think, bro?
I love it. It reminds me back in the days in Michigan.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where we always say it's freezing balls.
Hey. Yeah, it's actually really freezing balls right now. Alright guys, it's beautiful out here. Comment down below, have you been to Mount Charleston before? Did you like it? Because right now there's actually not a lot of snow, but it's enough for us to enjoy. And plus, it's a Monday today. It's pretty empty. So it was quick to get here because there was no traffic. Yeah, it's pretty nice. It's like we got this place all to ourselves.
With your arms around me. If we stay here like this, is the only place where I wanna be. This is as long as we go. Still in the crossfire. It's the only place where I wanna be. I know you will be alright, but somehow wherever you are, you're still in the crossfire.
All right, guys. So we're gonna go back to Las Vegas now. It's been real. It was short but sweet. It's really cold, guys. I'll see you guys in Vegas. Where are we going? We're gonna have lunch, right? You pick, and then just text us. Just get it. What do you think of Charleston? Did you like it?
Yeah. I like the softness snow here.
So guys,
Alaska.
he moved to Alaska, so he's tired of the snow.
This is as long as we go. You're still in the crossfire. It's the only place where I wanna be. But somehow wherever you are, you're still in the crossfire.
So this is where we're having lunch today. We're having sundubu. It's called soul tofu.
어릴 때 원했던 어른이 됐나 Thought I found oh she's mine 놓칠까 달렸던 나 Let's just take it slowly.
We just finished having lunch. How was it, bro? Did you like it?
It was spicy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sweating right now.
Did you-
Well,
It
it was
was-
delicious.
Hey, how was your lunch? Did you like it?